And welcome back once again. Lowcountry Plastic Surgery is here to talk about cool sculpting. Practice Administrator Alicia Brown is here with more on the news, this wonderful technology with an upcoming seminar as well. First, tell us about cool sculpting and exactly what that is.
Of course. So cool sculpting is a non-invasive treatment. It freezes the fat cells, and you will notice a 22 to 25% fat reduction in any given area that's treated.
We're showing this right now to the viewers that are watching this. It looks like it's basically pain-free. Is that correct?
Basically, yes. You may notice the initial few minutes of the procedure because it, of course, is freezing that area. So once it essentially goes numb, there's really no pain. Most patients, they bring their iPad, they bring a book, they watch TV. So it's actually a quite comfortable procedure with no downtime afterwards.
And where do normally people have that procedure done on their body? Is it just mainly around the stomach or sometimes the legs?
It's not, yeah. Actually, cool sculpting can be done in any area that you can grab the fat. So that gray areas, of course, are the abdomen, the love handles, the back bra rolls, and also underneath the arms. So again, any area that the fat can go can be sucked into kind of the head of the machine.
And how long does it take if somebody, if I wanted to go in, because I'd like to lose about 15 or 20 pounds.
Sure.
And also because you look at losing circumference in itself.
That's right.
And if I went in, about how long would that procedure take?
It's 1 hour. Okay. It's 1 hour. In our office, we actually have the dual sculpting. So if you were to get, for example, your love handles done, you would only be in the procedure room.
Love there.
Yeah. Yeah.
Go ahead.
You would only be in the procedure for 1 hour versus 2 hours, for an hour on each side. So it really cuts down the procedure time with the dual sculpting that we offer in the office.
And this, of course, is done by a professional.
It is, correct. So Tanya, our medical esthetician, she has received advanced training in LA with Dr. Grant Stevens, and he is the doctor to the stars. He has performed more cool sculpting than anyone in the world, and Tanya herself has completed over 1,000 cases. So she really is an expert on how to do this procedure.
And a person really needs to get an appointment for this. It's not just to walk in, just say, hey, I'm here, I just want to do. It's best to get an appointment to make the person prepare, so that the person that is performing the procedure is ready, set, ready to go. But you also have a seminar that's coming up pretty soon.
We do, exactly. So tomorrow, March 20th, we have our cool sculpting seminar. We have 2 times, 12 to 1 p.m. and 5 to 7 p.m. At that seminar, we will have a live demonstration, so you can see the procedure being done on somebody, and
that
just
person reading the book while you're
exactly. Truthfully, they probably will be. We will also have a presentation by the cool sculpting representative. We'll have food and beverages, and just for attending, you're registered to win half-price cool sculpting. We do want you to call and RSVP for that event, so that we know you're coming.
That you'll have a seat available.
Exactly.
Because sometimes you get do those seminars and you got a lot more people coming in.
We
and
do.
You want people to be comfortable.
We do.
And of course there'll be questions and answers that you'll be able to ask and give those answers back as well.
Of course. And you're also welcome to call in and set up your own personal consultation, and we can schedule that appointment for you by calling in and have that with Tanya.
Okay. How can folks get some more information about that?
So with the consultation, that would be the best way, and Tanya can sit down with them one-on-one and really answer their questions on a personal basis of what areas are they looking to be treated, what are their expectations.
One-on-one consultation, that's extremely important.
It is, it is. And it's really based on, the treatment is based on placement. So that is where Tanya comes in. Because it is heavily based on a specific area, and because of her expertise and her kind of training, she is so skilled at really targeting those individual areas so that people achieve the maximum results.
Very good. The numbers are right up on the screen there that you saw a few moments ago, as well as the address. Make sure that you get in there and also RSVP that. Thank you so much for joining us.
That's right. Thank you for having us.
My pleasure. We got more coming up after the break, so stay with us.